Apple is right now in the beginning stages of the iPhone 11 cycle. There were rumors swirling last week about, I'm not sure if it was really demand being better than expected or if it was more that the ramp in manufacturing was faster than expected. How important is that?
Look, we're thrilled to see great iPhone 11 numbers so far, but I wouldn't break out the champagne. There's a lot of different dynamics around this. Number one, Apple gave forecasts that were below what they did last year. Number two, they have this tariff kicking in December 15th that might have brought some orders forward. Number three, they did lower price, on the entry-level iPhone 11 by $50. So that could impact, like they said, the Pro Max saw some minor cuts. It could also eat into some of the other iPhones. So great to see. But as we know, this cycle goes on for another year. So we'll have to see where it shakes out.
So given that, what is your theory of Apple right now? Is it about an ecosystem play with the iPhone at the center? Even if that iPhone owner is not upgrading that, they're going to buy these other profitable things, including services, and that's the thing to track?
So exactly. I mean, if you've looked at Apple through the lens of iPhone units, you've been dead wrong, right? Apple is in the best of times and the worst of times right now. What does it mean in the best of times? People are giving them credit for services. Services are growing fast. The stock's over $1 trillion market cap and up 44% year to date. So it's being revalued. What's the worst of times? iPhone has fallen for 3 quarters in a row. Big tech is under pressure. China's a nightmare in terms of, what this trade war means. So you can't look at Apple, on a quarter-to-quarter basis and iPhone units. It's a much broader ecosystem play, and that's why we call it Planet Apple.
Brian, over the last couple of days, we've had reports that antitrust investigators in Congress have asked Spotify to detail alleged Apple abuses. I mean, we talk so much about antitrust scrutiny right now. Should we be focusing even more on the potential risks around a company like Apple in the App Store?
We cover all the big tech names, and I would say Apple's the least of my worries. And so, Elizabeth Warren is out there, beating the drum on big tech and going after some of these big companies. We'll see what it means. I think there are some issues and there's some changes that need to be made. But she might not even be running. I mean, Hillary Clinton may be running, next year and surprise everyone. So at the end of the day, Apple, if I had to bring it back, it's the least of my worries, big tech in the antitrust at Apple.